leaving the bustling city to return to the familiar place of childhood, to find peace in the old house in the middle of the mountains and forests. Oh my God, every corner is run down and the furniture is messy. Really bad for a peaceful living space in the middle of nature. And in this video, we will witness the entire renovation process that has transformed the old house into a magical and tranquil space amidst majestic nature. Wooden houses often take the natural beauty of wood as the center, so cement floors are replaced with wooden floors to create consistency in architecture. Furthermore, unlike the rigidity and coldness of cement, wood will bring a soft and warm feeling to the room. The cleverly reused old wooden panels will retain the natural lines and traces of time, creating a space that is both intimate and has depth. The rustic charm of the ceramic vases, the natural colors of the flowers, breathe life into the space, creating a lively and fresh. Flowers with their gentle fragrance and warm colors of wood will help increase the comfort of the relaxation area. During this renovation, the kitchen will be removed from the main house premises, and instead, this area will be transformed into a living room in a modern and luxurious style. The process of evaluating material structures will be thoroughly conducted for repairs and upgrades. For example, stains on the wall will be removed after painting. At the same time, this process also helps the room become brighter and more spacious. With putty paint, in addition to effective waterproofing for the roof, it also brings harmony and high aesthetics to the overall space. The smooth paint layer not only protects the surface from the effects of weather, but also creates a uniform beauty highlighting the architectural lines. You see, they are really effective in removing stains and mold. Meanwhile, the stone with minimalist patterns and neutral colors creates an elegant and modern beauty for the patio. A properly mixed and leveled mortar mixture will create a perfect adhesive to firmly fix the stone slabs above. This will create a flat and highly aesthetic porch surface. The rusticity and sturdiness of bamboo, the softness and grace of fabric curtains create a gentle, delicate contrast. Wooden materials with a solid structure will bring timeless durability and warmth to interior elements. Especially for heavy-duty interior details such as sofas, the manufacturing process needs to ensure durability and high load-bearing capacity. Wooden slats fixed parallel to each other with screws will create a flat chair surface. At the same time, this also helps distribute force to the entire seat surface, increasing load-bearing capacity, overcoming the disadvantage of poor load-bearing capacity of soft wood over a long period of use. The table with minimalist lines, not ostentatious, but full of sophistication, is the highlight, making the space become light and airy. Rustic bamboo, natural wood, and soft fabric blend together, creating a delicate balance between rusticity and luxury. Along with the elements of paintings or vases, all create a lively and artistic whole. Each element, each material, although simple, when combined, has created a space that is both modern, elegant, and full of nature. a wood-centered bedroom space will bring warmth, rusticity, and sophistication, while creating a feeling of closeness to nature. Meanwhile, the natural scent of wood and warm light will help you find peace of mind. The presence of wood from the floor, walls, roof to furniture creates a unified and harmonious whole. When combined with a glass facade, the bedroom will become modern and create a connection with the outside space. This is necessary for relaxation and energy recovery. Different from the glossy and modern look of the walls, roof, and floor, decorative shelves made from recycled wood bring a charming old look, bearing the mark of time. Recycled furniture is also a symbol of respect for history and nature. Reused old furniture evokes memories and a sense of familiarity, while modern furniture offers freshness, luxury, and amenities. This combination not only creates a multi-dimensional space full of art and depth, but also a fusion of modern sophistication and past values. This is truly an ideal place to preserve memories and find peace and serenity. With a layer of gloss paint applied to the wooden surface, it will help them look more aesthetic and be sustainable over time. Toilet with modern details will also ensure amenities and aesthetics for the overall space. Meanwhile, minimalist tables and primitive colors are also symbols of simplicity in design. The elegant lines make the space light, soft, and luxurious. With a design aimed at harmony between function and aesthetics, they create a comfortable working and relaxing space where tranquility and peace are top priority. Together with the living room and relaxation room on the first floor, the spacious bedroom and balcony on the second floor have created a seamless ecosystem. The perfect place to relax, entertain, and rest in the midst of majestic nature. Separating the kitchen and dining room into a separate space not only eliminates cooking odors in the living room area, but also improves the functionality of the kitchen area. With a design that focuses on the natural beauty of wood, the kitchen space becomes modern and cozy. The rustic thatched roof not only creates an aesthetic highlight, but also reminds of the peacefulness of traditional houses. Every detail from the kitchen cabinets, dining table, to wall shelves are crafted from natural wood, highlighting the delicate and rustic beauty. The unique intersection between modern and rustic materials makes the kitchen space an ideal place to bond and relax. With white color, the large window frame will stand out, creating a subtle highlight for the overall design. Wooden gates with thatched roofs often bring charm and boldly traditional. With delicate lines, classic and intimate beauty, wooden railings create a striking highlight for the courtyard. Flower beds will create a fresh, vibrant, and inspiring outdoor space. The process of skillfully exploiting land for flower beds accidentally creates winding stairs on the mountain. These stairs are covered with stone on the surface, not only making moving up the mountain easier, but also creating a romantic, poetic, and impressive path amidst majestic nature. After a while, this project has shown us the potential of old houses. By harmoniously combining modern elements and classic architectural details, the soul of the house is still maintained. This renovation project not only creates a comfortable and convenient place to live, but also brings a space that deeply connects between people with the surrounding nature. Together with the minimalist design style, they also convey a message of sustainable and sophisticated lifestyle. Which space do you like best? Leave a comment below this video.